In this video, we will show you the process of connecting the iGrow 100 series controller with the iGrow Cloud. To view your controllers with the iGrow Cloud, you would need, first, the controller's firmware to be updated to the 800C version, which is our cloud-based firmware. Second, the S communication module mounted and installed on your controller with live Ethernet plugged into its port, providing internet connectivity. Third, you would need to register and create an account on the iGrow Link for Cloud site. And fourth, just add your controllers. Now, to confirm your controller's firmware, simply do the following. Hit the OK button, and then go to System Setup, and then scroll to number 10, Advanced Setup, and then hit button number 4, Unit Info. As you can see, this particular controller has iGrow 800C. Now, if the controller is VCM or M, all you have to do is simply download the firmware from our Link for website or call support, and we will provide you with the file, and all you have to do is simply update your controller's firmware by using the bootload feature in Advanced Setup, right here, button number 6, and follow the process that we send with the firmware to update this controller to a C cloud-based version firmware. Now, once you have confirmed firmware, simply plug in your Ethernet cable to the S communication module, and then you want to go to the communication portion of this controller. Now, to get to communications, simply go OK, System Setup, and communications will be number 8. Now, in communications setup, you have IP address setup and cloud setup. Go ahead and click IP address setup. And in IP address setup, confirm that your IP address information has populated the middle section of this screen. Also, you want to make sure that your IP address mode is in auto DHCP. Once you have confirmed this, just simply hit back and go to the cloud setup screen. Now, on this screen, we're going to need information to establish connectivity with the cloud. Now, at this point, you want to go to your PC and at the web browser bar, type in iGrow.linkforcloud.com. And once you're on the website, you want to go to this Register tab on the far right, click this, and you want to register and create a cloud account. Once you've done filling out the fields, name, username, password, and your email address, confirming it, just simply click Register. And just simply go to your email address that you registered with and simply follow the link that will bring you back to the iGrow Cloud page. And just simply log in to the cloud once here. Now, once you're on the cloud, you want to go ahead and click the tab My iGrow Cloud. And on this screen, you want to add controller to your account. Now, at this point, you have to go back to your iGrow 800 controller, and you'll have to obtain the credentials on this controller's server setup screen. You'll need a serial number, and you'll need the registration passcode. And what you do is you just simply enter in the serial number, and enter the registration passcode. And in entering the registration passcode, we advise you to be careful in doing this. If you enter it 3 times and are unsuccessful, please call support for further assistance. But once you have entered the information, simply hit Add Controller and go ahead and hit My iGrow Cloud. Now, looking at the cloud now, we see a controller, Link for Corp, and an option to view the controller. And reflecting back on your iGrow server setup screen, The connection status is in fact now OK, which signifies a successful connection of this controller to the cloud. And all you have to do now is just click View Controller, and you're ready to view your zone, make changes, turn devices on and off, set up notifications. And that's our video on connecting your iGrow 800 controller with the link for cloud.